Most of those UK returnees that tested positive for COVID-19 are okay. Only one is not too well but is being closely monitored, the Chief Minister said, giving updates on Goa angle of COVID-19 virus from UK. Goa has a good potential to be a logistic hub. I had put up proposal when I was the Union Minister. I will speak to the Chief Minister and ask him to push the proposal further, Suresh Prabhu said. New frauds are being perpetrated on unsuspecting Goans and Indians on almost a daily basis. Don't get fooled. Be careful. Don't divulge personal information including phones, bank details. Hello and welcome. I'm Prajwal Desai. Now the news in detail. It might take 2 to 3 years to restart Sanjeevani sugar factory, but we won't shut it. Contracts will be signed with every farmer and farmers can sell their produce anywhere. But the government will pay the price, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has assured on Monday. He also said that he was trying to solve the mining issues.
Sanjeevani Sugar Factory has been bought under the ambit of Agriculture Department after removing it from the Cooperative Department. This has happened for the first time in Goa's history, Chief Minister said. Farmers will be given 3,000 rupees per ton of sugarcane as per existing rate for next 3 years until the factory restarts. Listen to him.
संजीवनी ह्या वेळा फार्मरांनी मला मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून पयलीं म्हाका धन्यवाद म्हणपाक जाय. कित्याक तो सांगता पयली फावटी राज्याच्या इतिहासांत संजीवनी फॅक्टरी कॉपरेटिव्ह डिपार्टमेंट सोडून एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाक रायट ह्या पयलीं केन्नाच जावंक नासलें. दुसरें हो निर्णय घेवपाक आनी पुराय जी कमिटी काडल्या तितून आमचो एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर आसा, तितून माजी आमदार बाब वासू मेघगांवकार आसा, सुभाष फळदेसाय आसा, तो आतांचो आमदार बाब प्रसाद गांवकारूय आसा आनी पुराय थंयसर तें डिसिजन जालां की हे फावटी शुगर फॅक्टरी चलूंक शकना. आमी संजीवनी बंद करिना, आमी संजीवनी चालू दवरता. बट संजीवनी परत चालू करपाक कदाचित 2 वर्सां वयतली किंवा 3 वर्सां लागत चडांत चड. बट 3 वर्सां आमी तांकां जे पयशे दिताले 2,400 रुपया ताज्या पेक्षा आनी 600 रुपया चड दिता. 3,000 रुपया पर टन तांकां आमी फारीक करपाचो आसा. तुमचो ऊस तुमी जाय तांकां विका. आमी 3,000 रुपया पर टन कोणू दितले. फुडल्या वर्सा 2,800 रुपया दितले. ताज्या उपरांत 2,600 रुपया दितले. खंयचोच मुख्यमंत्री ह्या पद्दतीचें डिसिजन घेवचो नासलो. तुमचो वीस तुमी जाय तांकां विका. आमी इतलो 3,000 रुपया 2,800 2,600 आनी ऊस तुमी विकपाचो. ते बरोवन मागता तांकांय खबर आसा ताजो एग्रीमेंट चालू आसा. इंडिविज्युअल प्रत्येकाचो एग्रीमेंट संजीवनी कडेन जातलो. ताजो ड्राफ्ट एग्रीमेंट लॉ डिपार्टमेंटान वेटिंगाक गेला. सरकार असल्या कारणान काही कामां थोडीशी गती लागता, वेळ लागता. ताका आमी गती दिल्या. म्हाका दिसता सोमार मंगळार पर्यंत एकदा लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाच्यान वेटींग जावन येयलो. ऑलरेडी आमचे झोनल एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसरान तो सर्वे केला. तुजो कितल्या एकरांत तुजो कितलो ऊस आसा, फाटलो कितलो आसलो, हाजेर प्रत्येकाचो एग्रीमेंट जातलो. प्रत्येकान सायन मारतलो. ताजे पयशे ताका मेळटले आनी फुडल्या 3 वर्सां उपरांत संजीवनी परत चालू जातली. हो मायनींग बेल्ट म्हणजे म्हाजोय मतदारसंघ तुज्या एकच मायनींग बेल्ट आसा. पण ज्या पद्दतीन हांव मुख्यमंत्री जाल्या उपरांत ही ऑप्शन आसतलें किंवा जे आमकां मटेरियल तांकां अलाव करपाक मेळटा तितल्यो मायनींग एक्टिविटी म्हज्या टेन्युअरांत हांवें सुरू केल्या. सुरू करपाचो 100% प्रयत्न जावं तो मागीर रिव्यू रिट पिटिशन फायल करून किंवा जावं तो केंद्र सरकारच्या सहकार्यान. ओके, म्हाजो प्रयत्न सुरू आसा. खात्री आसा की जाता तितले बेगीन माहिती सुरू जाता.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
Goa can become a logistic hub. I will speak to the Chief Minister and ask him to push the proposal further. Goa can also host a part of the upcoming G20 summit. The former Union Commerce Minister Suresh Prabhu was in the state. He spoke to Goa 365 at the Dabolim airport. Here are the details.
The former Commerce Minister said that he had started discussions on the logistic hub when he was a Union Minister. And this type of project suited Goa because it was an environmentally friendly one but also provided jobs.
I am going to request the Prime Honorable Chief Minister that we like to continue with the program that they started to make Goa as a logistic hub. Because as a Commerce Industry Minister, it also included my responsibility as logistics. I had initiated a possibility of setting up a logistic hub in Goa. Because Goa needs something which is green, which will not damage Goa's environment. At the same time, Goa needs something which can create jobs. And logistic hub has a potential to create jobs without damaging environment. We are trying to work on that. I will request the Chief Minister to do that. We run an NGO in Konkan which has created 100,000 women and others for self-employment. So we are willing to undertake a similar activity in Goa, purely non-governmental, not for profit, to create more job opportunities in Goa, because as I said, Goa is my second home. So we are going to host G20 in 2023 in India. G20 is going to be the biggest event ever happened in India. So Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is very keen that we should try to hold this event in a manner that will make India a place which all other countries look up to. So we would like to go as part of that event, not the whole event, but a part of that event also in Goa. So I will discuss with the Chief Minister even that possibility when we will be there.
Sir, what about the...
Wishing all my Goan friends Happy New Year, belated Merry Christmas, and of course I am sure Goans will prosper in 2021 and they will get the joy back.
Irumale for Goa 365 from Dabolim Airport.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The COVID-19 virus that has reportedly manifested in the UK has worried a lot of countries. Many, including India, have banned flights to and from UK. Here's more.
Many Goans have been coming back home for Christmas and New Year from the UK. The government had to scramble to keep a track on them. Now the Chief Minister gave the latest details on the issue. Listen to him.
युकेच्यान 16 जण पॉझिटिव्ह मेळ्ळा पळय तांकां आयसोलेशन केला, तांचो रिपोर्ट पुण्याक धाडला, तांचो रिपोर्ट पुण्याच्यान वेट करता, बट तांकां इन्स्टिट्यूशन आयसोलेशन करून घेतलें आमी ताच्या उपरांत. बट तांची कंडिशन फक्त एकट्याचीच मातशी बिगडलेली, बाकीची सगळ्यांची बरी आसा.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Pernam.
Every day we hear of frauds being perpetrated on the unsuspecting Goans and Indians. Now, here is a video made of one such potential fraud that is being shared online. We are sharing this for public good. Watch.
नए नए तरीके इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अभी 1 घंटा पहले मेरे पास स्पीड पोस्ट से एक लेटर आया नापतोल के नाम से, और ये कलकत्ता का एड्रेस है. और ये लेटर के अंदर एक फॉर्म है और एक प्राइज मनी कूपन 12 लाख रुपए मैं जीता हूँ, और ये 12 लाख रुपए जीतने पर ये प्राइज भिजाने के लिए इन्होंने तो तरीका इस्तेमाल किया, ये फॉर्म भिजाया नापतोल के नाम से. तमाम ऐसा ब्यूटीफुल अंदाज के अंदर बनाया गया कि कोई भी आदमी इसमें लालच में आ जाएगा. आपसे तमाम डिटेल मांगे गए, आपकी सिग्नेचर मांग ली गई, IFSC नंबर आपके बैंक का, बैंक अकाउंट नंबर, आपका पैन नंबर और आपका व्हाट्सएप नंबर, और आपका जो बैंक से अटैच है वो मोबाइल नंबर, ये तमाम चीज़ें मांगी गई. लेकिन दोस्तों ये जो 12 लाख का प्राइस देख के मैं कोई लालच में नहीं आया. मुझे मालूम है कि ये बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड चल रहे हैं. अब ये बाई पोस्ट फ्रॉड है. ये लोग इसमें व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिए, इसके अंदर इनका डिटेल भिजाओ. अगर गलती से भी अगर हम ये डिटेल उन तक पहुंचा देंगे तो दोस्तों जो गाड़ी कमाई है हमारी, जो मेहनत से कमाते हैं, ये फ्रॉडी छीन सकते हैं हम. तो मैंने गूगल गया, नापतोल सर्च किया, उनसे एक नंबर निकाला, सर्विस सेंटर नंबर. सर्विस सेंटर से डिटेल मांग के सर्विस मैन तक पहुंचा. फिर जब उनसे मैं ये तमाम डिटेल शेयर की तो उन्होंने कहा सर ऐसा कोई भी प्रोग्राम हमारे नापतोल की तरफ से नहीं है, ये सब फ्रॉड है. हम कभी ना प्राइस रखे, ना हमारे पास से कोई प्राइस बनी जा रही है. तो बराए मेहरबानी आप एक भी अपनी डिटेल इन लोगों को फ्रॉड्स को मत दीजिए, ये सब गलत है, ये झूठ है. तो इसलिए मेरे दोस्तों मैं आप तमाम तक ये जो बात है शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि पोस्टमैन के बाद इस तरह के और भी लेटर्स थे. हो सकता है पूरे तेलंगाना के अंदर, पूरे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर बहुत सारे लोगों को इस तरह के लेटर्स आए होंगे. हो सकता लोग लालच में आकर कुछ अपनी मालूमात की कमी की वजह से अगर कुछ शेयर कर दे तो इनकी गाड़ी कमाई जा सकती. इसलिए मैं ये वीडियो बनाना ज़रूरी समझा. तो मैं तमाम अहबाब तक जो बाद में जिन तक पहुंची है उनसे ख्वाहिश करूंगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक।
Tourists are coming into the state via air, and the state is taking precautions while allowing them to come in. Here are the details.
The airport director Gagan Malik said that the foreign flights have already been given permission to land from March. He also said that an offshoot of the pandemic was that airlines were connecting with non-regular routes.
This corona has given something positive also. The sectors which were not connected earlier are getting connected now. Although as well as repetition of the old sectors is there, but new sectors have been added up by the different airlines and they will be continued to be added up. And air bubble arrangement now up till March, Air Arabia has taken slots from us in the air bubble. So we have approved that in the air bubble. And except UK, the flights which are coming from Middle East, they are operating. So they are also picking. Earlier there were 60 passengers, now there are 100 passengers. So stage is coming where people are moving out. And state government is also very particular as far as testing is concerned. We have given them space, doctors of health services, police people, everybody is involved to see to it that Goa remains safe as it is. And we give correct signal to the public, yes, you can come to Goa, you should be responsible while you are in Goa, because as we are responsible in taking you in at Goa.
Irumale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Pernem police arrest 2 persons for illegal possession of drugs on Sunday. Ganja worth ₹69,000 was found hidden in the dicky of the scooter. The accused was identified as Pradeep Ramesh Valecha, 27 years old, and Salim Kuyung Khan, 21 years old. Both are from Mumbai.
PI Jiuba Dalvi said 2 persons are involved in drug activities and roaming on an Activa scooter. 2 suspects were intercepted at Arambol beach parking and were searched. During the search, ganja was found hidden in the dicky and seized. The raiding team consisted of PI Jiuba Dalvi, PSI Prafulgiri and constables Vinod Pednekar, Shailesh Parsekar and Ravi Maloji. Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Pernem.
And now for some sports news. Gully Gang Bicholim defeated Rashtoli Mulgaon 1-0 in the finals of the 7th-side All-Goa Football Tournament played at the Barazan Nagar ground at Dabdaba, Bicholim on Sunday.
Kalbhairav Sports Club Bicholim organized this tournament in the memory of late Shabi Parab. More than 30 teams participated in the tournament.
आमच्या बरोबरचो मनीस तो सगळ्यांक बरोबर घेवन वचणारो मनीस, सगळ्यांक आपुलकेन आपले कशें करप हें असले हेचेर, आनी जी तेची जे पद्दतीन तो आपूण आपले बरोबर घेवन सगळ्यांक वयतालो तेन्ना अशें दिसलें की त्या मनशाच्या नांवान जर एक बरो टुर्नामेंट जाता जाल्यार सदींच आमी ताका हातभार लावपाक जाय म्हणून तेचे हेचेर. आनी ह्या एकमेव कारणां खातीर आयज हांव परत एकदां म्हणटा ते काळभैरव कला क्रीडा मंडळ तशेंच स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाचें मनपूर्वक अशें अभिनंदन करता, कित्याक तांच्यांनी ना सगळ्या लोकांनी आज प्रत्येका कडेन वचून तेंच्यांनी कितें थोड्यान डोनेशन हाडलें जावं आपल्या स्वताच्या हिमतीचेर म्हणटा तो टुर्नामेंट आयोजीत केलो. आयज टुर्नामेंट आयोजीत करप म्हणजे सुद्दां सादी गोश्ट नासता, ताका खूब मेहनत घेवची पडटा हेचेर, आनी मेहनतीचें फळ म्हणटा तें अवश्य मेळटा हेचेर. कित्या खातीर जर आयज जो तेंच्यांनी टुर्नामेंट आयज कित्याक 2 गेल्या आयतारा आनी आयच्या आयतारा अशें हें केलें पळय, गेल्या आयतारा 12 टिमी येयल्ल्यो, आयज म्हाका दिसता 16 टिमी येयल्यो हेचेर. 16 टिमी येयल्या उपरांत त्यो टिमीनसून बाबा कशी बरो खेळ खेळून दाखोवपा खातीर सगळ्या खेळाडून जेन्ना आपलें हें दाखयलें पळय त्या खेळाडूंचें सगळ्यांचें हांव अभिनंदन करता. कित्याक जरी तुमी विनर्स जाले ना जर सेमी लुजर जाले जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी नांव उमेद जाता म्हणटा तो आपलो खेळ फुडें तसोच व्हरपा जाय.
Mahesh Goekar for Goa 365 from Bicholim.
And for some weather news now. Weather is very likely to be dry for the next 5 days. Sky will remain clear. Maximum temperatures likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature likely to be around 20 to 19 degrees Celsius.
There was no large change in minimum temperatures. There was no large change in minimum temperatures which were normal in this state. The lowest minimum temperature of 20.4 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji. Highlights: weather to remain dry, sky to remain clear, maximum temperature to be 33 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature to be 20 to 19 degrees Celsius. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe onto our YouTube channel Goa365 TV, or download our app on Android and iPhone. Keep watching Goa365.